Hi everyone, just popping in to bring some clarity, I suppose, and transparency with regards to our therapy process. So, our therapy is not for everybody. If you are somebody who is really unhappy and wanting to see progress and breakthrough in your life, then our therapy is definitely for you. A lot of people come in and they think that they've been to counseling or therapy before. Firstly, they don't know the difference between counseling and therapy. But when we ask a bit more or ask for a bit more clarity on what they've experienced, they've only been to maybe one or two counseling sessions, one the 1 year and one the next year, or one the 6 months and another one the next 6 months. They've never actually gone through a therapy process. Okay, so counseling is a more entry level scope of practice, therapy is a more advanced scope of practice, and therapy is a process. So we produce or we deliver a 8-week, 8-session therapy process. You are not committed to all 8 when you inquire. You are able to book in for the first appointment and get all the information and details as to how we deliver therapy and approach therapy at the Tiny Room. It is very unique. It also produces results. Please go read our Google reviews, see what our clients are getting out of this process, what parents are getting out of this process, having their tweens and teens come through our therapy, and also realize it's a commitment. So after the first session, you are not obligated to book in for the other 7, but you get all the information that you need. It's not just an information session, it is also a therapy session. We are setting you up for a win in that first session for the other 7. You are also setting us up as possibly your therapist for the other 7 sessions. But after that first session, it is a commitment for the other 7, because therapy, as we keep on saying, is a process, it's a cycle. Each session links up, and in those first 3 to 4 sessions, we are doing a lot of unpacking with you. It's a very volatile stage or phase within a therapy process, so if you don't push through to at least the 3rd or 4th session, you are not going to see results. We've seen clients book in, commit, come past the first session, come for the second session, and they get impatient because they're expecting bells and whistles and a whole bunch of life-changing things to take place in only 2 sessions. If you haven't actually gone through a therapy process previously, but you think you've reached out for help, a lot of people think that they've had some work done, but possibly nothing took place in those 1 or 2 counseling sessions, or you went to one psychologist or social worker for a session when you were in grade 11 and now you're 26. And now you think that, okay, I've reached out for mental health services or some sort of intervention. So please understand, when you're stepping in at the Tiny Room for your first session, do not have any expectations. You won't understand fully what we are going to provide you with. You will see the shifts as we go through each session and each of the 3 stages that we take you through. So hopefully that gives you insight. Our therapy is not for everybody, as we keep on saying. If you aren't ready to be a happier individual, if you are wanting to stay in the space that you're in, by all means, please stay there. But if you do not want to stay there and you're wanting to be happy and you're wanting to see shifts and progresses in your life and breakthroughs, then why not come and book in for the first session at least. See if you click with your therapist. See if our approach to therapy is something that you can commit to. And if not, we are in no means offended. You are not obligated to come back after the first. But please know, if you do, you're in it to win it and you're committed to the other 7, because we are actually wanting to see our clients reap results from therapy and not for 2 to 3 years continuously go through therapy. That is not why we are therapists here at the Tiny Room. Any other questions, DM us, email us, WhatsApp us, reach out, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Lots of love, and we are excited to see more clients see those breakthroughs and progresses through our therapy process. Chat to you all soon. Have a good week. Bye.